Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take your workout routine up a notch with a 30-minute full-body dumbbell workout that features 10 incredible exercises you've probably never seen before. That's right, we're spicing things up to keep your muscles guessing and your gains growing. So grab those dumbbells, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into these fresh moves that'll have you feeling the burn from head to toe. 1. Dumbbell Renegade Row to T-Stabilization. We're kicking things off with a bang. Get into a plank position, each hand gripping a dumbbell. Perform a Renegade row on each side, then transition into a T-Stabilization. This combo will ignite your core, shoulders, and back like never before. 2. Dumbbell Thruster Twist. For a killer leg and shoulder workout, try the Dumbbell Thruster Twist. As you perform a thruster, twist your torso to one side, engaging those obliques. Alternate sides for a complete burn. 3. Dumbbell Halo Squats. Time to target those quads, hamstrings, and shoulders simultaneously. Hold a dumbbell at chest level and perform squats while circling the dumbbell around your head. It's a unique move that'll challenge your coordination and strength. 4. Dumbbell Archer Lunges. Take lunges to the next level with archer lunges. Hold a dumbbell with both hands, extend one arm out, and perform lunges. This exercise is fantastic for balance, legs, and your stabilizing muscles. 5. Dumbbell Plank Pull-Through. Strengthen your core and back with the plank pull-through. Place 2 dumbbells beside you in a plank position, then reach under with one hand to grab the opposite dumbbell's handle. This move is a game changer for your entire midsection. 6. Dumbbell Windmill. Enhance your flexibility and work your entire core with the Dumbbell Windmill. Hold a dumbbell overhead with a slight bend in your knees. Hinge at the hips while lowering the dumbbell toward the opposite foot. Feel that stretch and contraction. 7. Dumbbell Swings. Yes, we're bringing the kettlebell favorite to dumbbells. Dumbbell swings are fantastic for explosive power, glutes, and lower back. Remember to hinge at the hips and use your hips to drive the movement. 8. Dumbbell Bear Crawl. Get ready to crawl your way to a full body burn. Hold onto those dumbbells and bear crawl across the floor. It's a killer cardio and strength exercise that'll leave you breathless. 9. Dumbbell Russian Twists with Leg Raise. Spice up your Russian twists by adding leg raises. Hold a dumbbell as you twist from side to side and lift your legs off the ground for an extra challenge. You'll feel the burn in your obliques and lower abs. 10. Dumbbell Superman Lifts. Let's finish strong with dumbbell Superman lifts. Lie face down, holding dumbbells in each hand. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground, engaging your lower back muscles. It's an excellent exercise to counterbalance all the bending and hunching we do. That was intense. You've just completed our 30-minute full-body dumbbell workout featuring 10 unique exercises that are sure to shake up your routine. Remember, the key to continuous progress is to keep challenging your body in new and exciting ways. If you enjoyed this workout, give us a thumbs up and comment below on which exercise was your favorite. And of course, subscribe for more fitness tips, workout routines, and all-around healthy living content. Until next time, stay fit and stay awesome.